All right, welcome to Creator Hardware and Quick Tip Tuesday. So let's say you've got some noisy audio that you have to deal with. You got background noise. We're going to talk about the easiest way and the quickest way to isolate that. We're going to take this video right here. That's no talking in that scene, and there's a lot of activity. If I pull this into Premiere, you can see the noise even better, but if you look right here, look at all that noise. But you can see all that noise. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to Effects, Noise Reduction, Denoise. And all we're going to do now, for me, in my situation with the noise I have, under 50 dB pretty much does everything. But if I go ahead and play it, see all that noise coming in? That's just noise. That's just noise. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit apply. And that's going to take care of a lot of that noise. See, now my levels don't move because all that noise is gone. So after that, I'm going to take it down and I'm going to equalize it to negative 21 LUFS. And then...
So as always, thanks for watching.
There you go. Simple, quick, easy way to get rid of background noise. So hope this was helpful. As always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.